Hi, my name is Scott Dietz. I'm the Director of Workforce Development at Catalyst Connection. I'm here to just give a quick summary about the award winners for this year's What's So Cool About Manufacturing Student Video Contest. This is our 11th year of doing the video contest here in the Pittsburgh region. Another great year of the program, and instead of live streaming the event this year, we just wanted to do this quick recording and give you a summary of the winners of this year's program. Some of your colleagues or your students might have already texted you and let you know who the winners were or if they won or not. But again, we wanted to create this quick recording so in case you did miss the award ceremony and weren't able to join us in person for that, haven't heard the results yet, we can do a quick summary of those results. As I mentioned, this is the 11th year of us doing the What's So Cool About Manufacturing program here in Southwestern Pennsylvania. And we do this program to empower students to be digital storytellers, to help us share the message about manufacturing in our region, and to help us get the word out about the cool things happening in manufacturing. That really benefits our manufacturing companies in helping to get their brands out into the community. That can then in turn help them with recruiting and attracting talent, as a lot of the companies involved in this program that have been a part of this and allow students to come in and create videos with them are hiring right now. So it's an exciting time in manufacturing. There's a lot of exciting things happening, a lot of companies that are hiring actively right now. And that's why we do this program, is to help those companies, but also empower students to consider manufacturing as a potential career pathway for them. We want to give a huge thanks to all of the participating schools, the students, the teachers, the companies that opened their doors and allowed them to participate in the program. And you can see a list of all those schools and companies here on the screen currently. We also want to thank our sponsors, the Appalachian Regional Commission and Lockheed Martin, for supporting this program. Without their financial contributions, we wouldn't be able to make this program happen. So if you're not already aware of it, this is a program that stretches across the entire Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. And there's middle school students from all across the state that are actively creating videos right now with manufacturing companies, having their award ceremonies like we just had. So we just want to show you a quick video to show you what's happening around the entire state of Pennsylvania with the What's So Cool About Manufacturing program.
What's so cool about manufacturing? Student video teams from across the state are paired with Pennsylvania manufacturers and tasked with producing a 2-minute video about their company's unique work environment and career opportunities. To be successful, students learn digital storytelling skills, including producing, videography, editing, and marketing. They record all of their video during one visit to the manufacturer, edit for weeks to whittle hours of raw footage down to 2 minutes. Plus, create and execute an original outreach plan to get others to watch their finished product. With these new digital storytelling skills, students are capturing and sharing videos about jobs in manufacturing. Their videos educate students, parents, and teachers about career pathways and dispel the myths and stigmas associated with manufacturing jobs. The successful Career Awareness Program now boasts an interactive library of 1,436 student-created videos, which schools use to further students' exploration of careers. What's So Cool About Manufacturing was started in 2013 by a consortium led by Manufacturers Resource Center with 16 school districts. Today, 309 school districts have participated, representing more than 60% of the state. That means since the contest began, it has impacted 64 of the 67 counties in the Commonwealth. Our students have partnered with 700 unique manufacturers over the years, and more than 8,000 students have participated since the contest's inception, resulting in a projected number of online votes totaling 6 million. What's so cool about manufacturing not only gives student teams the opportunity to learn about careers, technology, and digital storytelling, but the program is changing perceptions of students, parents, educators, and the community about what jobs look like at Pennsylvania manufacturers. And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.
If you'd like to learn more about manufacturing careers, we encourage you to check out our website, explorenewmfg.org, where we have a lot of resources for students, parents, and teachers, as well as a lot of career information about the high-demand careers of manufacturing and more details about the exciting things happening in manufacturing. So with that, let's announce our winners for this year's 2026 What's So Cool About Manufacturing video contest for our central region. And then we'll do a video like this again for our Eastern region contest as well. So our first award category is for Rookie School. The only schools eligible for this particular category are those schools that are new to our program. And our second place winner for Best Rookie School goes to Shaler area with Acewire Spring. And our first place winner for Rookie School goes to Keystone Oaks with Mancini's Bakery. Our next award category is for Best Career Story. This is actually a new category for us this year. We really wanted to award students that highlighted a particular career pathway, a great career story and trajectory of one of the employees within that organization, and just really highlighted careers heavily or effectively in their videos. So our second place winner for that category is Highlands with Oberg. And our first place winner is Shaler area with MEPI. Our Viewer's Choice Award is certainly one of our most popular categories. And this year we had a total number of votes of 105,869 votes that were cast. I'm sure many of you watching this were included in that voting period. So we appreciate your votes. We appreciate you also watching all the student videos and voting for your favorites. So we have two winners for our Viewer's Choice Award. The second place winner goes to Deer Lakes with Hellbender for getting the second most votes received over the course of a 5-day period. And then our first place winner is Butler area with JV Manufacturing. Congratulations. So our Best Promotion Award looks at creative ways that the students reach out to their school community and their community at large and help them promote their video. Maybe they hang signs, maybe they create websites, maybe they do radio broadcasts, maybe they do TV. Maybe they do radio. We've seen a lot of creative things over the years, but this particular school decided to create a website and created a website totally from scratch for both of the teams that they were representing. So our winner for Best Promotion Award this year goes to Shaler area with MEPI and Acewire Spring. They had two teams working with two different companies. One of our most challenging categories this year to vote for was Outstanding Creativity. The student teams really stepped it up this year on their creativity. We really want to thank the students for going above and beyond, really thinking outside the box and getting very creative and having a lot of fun videos created in that process. They were a lot of fun to watch. So Outstanding Creativity, we actually added a third award category because it was so difficult to choose from amongst all the creative ideas and video concepts the students put forth. So our third place winner for Outstanding Creativity goes to New Brighton with Kenson Plastics. Our second place winner for Most Creative goes to Chartiers Houston with Giffen Interiors. And our first place winner from Outstanding Creativity goes to Blackhawk with Adams Manufacturing. Congratulations, everybody. Our next award category is for Most Effective Editing. This is a new category for us this year. We really looked at how smoothly and how effectively did the students do the post-processing on their videos. Were they able to seamlessly transition and make that very smooth? What kind of music selections did they make to add to the storyline? How effectively did they use B-roll to connect to the interviews? So this was a new category for us, and congratulations to the winners for this category. Our second place winner being Chartiers Houston with Giffen Interiors, and our first place winner is Butler area with Butler Technologies. The next award category is also new to us this year, and that was the Student Choice Award. The Student Choice Award was actually selected by other students. So we asked the students to vote on their favorite videos, and they weren't allowed to vote on their own, of course. So our second place winner for Student Choice Award goes to Keystone Oaks with Mancini's Bakery. And our first place winner goes to Chartiers Houston with Giffen Interiors. Thanks for helping us vote, students. Our next category is for Best Manufacturing Message. This is one of our more important categories, but also the one that's most aligned to the overall theme and purpose of this program. And that is, how effectively do the students convey the message of manufacturing? How effectively do they communicate to their peers? This is what they think is cool about manufacturing, while highlighting careers and a clear understanding of what that manufacturing company does. Since every year this is a really hard category for us, we actually have 3 award winners for this category once again. So the third place winner for Best Manufacturing Message is Deer Lakes with Hellbender. Our second place winner is Moon Area with Cobalt USA. And our first place winner for Best Manufacturing Message goes to Butler area with Butler Technologies. And our last category is for Best Overall Videos. These videos, well, did it all really well. So their storyline, their creativity, the effective communication of what's so cool about manufacturing, student voice, and just really solid videos that stood above and beyond all of the rest. So the winners for Best Overall Video, our second place winner is Butler area with Butler Technologies. And our first place winner, who is also going to be our region's representative at the state What's So Cool About Manufacturing Video contest in Harrisburg, goes to Chartiers Houston with Giffen Interiors. Great job, guys, and have fun at States. Hopefully you bring back the hardware to our region again and continue to win at the state level. Represent us well, I'm sure you will. So that's our quick summary of this year's What's So Cool About Manufacturing Video contest. We hope that you enjoyed watching all the student videos. If you haven't had a chance to watch all of them yet, we still encourage you to go to the website, check out those videos, learn about careers in manufacturing more yourself. Help us spread the word in the community that manufacturing is alive and well, and there are tremendous opportunities for careers in manufacturing. Again, we want to thank the sponsors, thank the schools, students, parents, teachers, and our staff, of course, the Catalyst Connection that makes this program possible every year. And we look forward to doing it again next year for our 12th year of the What's So Cool About Manufacturing Video contest. And we'll be back to share a quick summary about our East Regional contest here in a couple of weeks.